Yo, what's up everybody, and welcome to a new video on my channel. Today's video is I want to show you my high protein shake. So this shake is gonna be a very high protein bomb. And first of all, I want to say to you, I drink this protein bomb or this protein shake when I had no food, or when I have no time to cook, or yeah, as I said, when I have no time to cook, and I drink this shake about 1 hour before I go to the gym. So this is a very good protein shake for good energy, high protein. And yeah, enough said. I'm gonna show you how I mix or how I prep this protein shake. So all you need is a simple mixer. It doesn't need to be a special one. So yeah, so all you need is one banana, and then just break a few pieces like this. So easy. Okay, so first step was banana. Let me close the window first. And the second step is I gonna use egg white, and this is a pasteurized egg white, so you can drink it or you can add it to your to your meals like you want. So I just drink it like this because it's already pasteurized, so it's not unhealthy to drink it like this. And we're gonna add about 300 milliliters. Yeah, let's add 400 for more proteins, for more gains. Second step, then we're gonna add some blueberries, just a few pieces. So these are frozen, that the protein shake is iced cold, so it's like a frozen yogurt, you know. Just add a few from the blueberries, about 150-200 grams. You guys know I don't count calories, so yeah, I do it how I feel. So 150-200 grams of blueberries, and then we're gonna add some extra whey protein, whey isolate flavor, blueberry vanilla, so it matched perfect to the blueberries. We're gonna add 2 scoops of it, so about 30 to 40 grams of it. Oops. And now I'm gonna use cashew milk, but you can use almond milk, you can use coconut milk, you can use every milk you want, you know, and you can also use water. So in this case, it's you can also use water because there are a lot of ingredients in it. So egg white, berries, and whey, and the banana. So you can eat, or you can add some water in it. Well, I'm gonna use cashew milk for today, and yeah, we're gonna add about 200-300 milliliters of it. Bam, that's it. So, and now it's time to shake that shake, or to mix that shake, and then it's done. Okay guys, funny story. You guys wonder why I mixed this shake in my bathroom. So our little baby Zoe is sleeping, and I don't wanna wake her up by mixing this shake, so I just mixed it in the bathroom, closed the door. So yeah, that's it my friends. So one nice shake, that's a pretty good shake. So just give this a look. This looks crazy. This looks tasty. Oh damn it. Oh damn it. And if you guys wonder if you taste the raw or the pasteurized egg white, no, you don't taste it, or you can't taste it, because we add some bananas, we add some berries, we add some whey. So it's like water, you know. So that's my magic shake. I always drink when I have no time to cook, and or when I'm too lazy to cook anything. I just mix this shake, high in protein, high in vitamins, and that's it, my friends. So very short video. I hope you like this kind of short videos. Let me know in the comments, because I like it much more than longer videos, you know. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about short videos or shorter videos. And yeah, that's it, my friends. So thank you for watching, my friends. Thank you also for 16,000 YouTube subscribers, and also thank you for 1 million Instagram subscribers. Really appreciate all your support, and that's just the beginning. So mark my words, we don't stop and we just keep grinding. So thank you again for watching. I see you in the next video. Peace out.